Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install TradeStation Web Trader, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To install TradeStation Web Trader, start by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the official TradeStation website. Locate the login button, usually found at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on the login button. You will be redirected to the login page. If you already have an account, enter your username and password. If you do not have an account, click on the Open an Account link to create one. Once logged in, look for the Web Trading option in the menu. Click on Web Trading to access the TradeStation Web Trader platform. The platform may prompt you to download specific browser plugins. Follow the on-screen instructions to install any necessary plugins. After the installation, return to the TradeStation Web Trader page. You will see the option to launch Web Trader. Click on the Launch Web Trader button. The platform will load in your web browser. Once loaded, you may need to log in again with your TradeStation credentials. After logging in, you will be greeted by the TradeStation Web Trader interface. Familiarize yourself with the layout and available features. You are now ready to start trading on TradeStation Web Trader. Enjoy your trading experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.